You have probably operated a pan control a million times. Every stereo amplifier that I've ever seen has a pan control where you can adjust the signal more to the left speaker or to the right speaker. That's panning. In Nyquist, panning splits a monophonic signal, a single channel, into two channels, a stereo signal, which in Nyquist is represented using an array of two sounds, and the position or the degree to the left or right of that signal can be controlled by either a fixed parameter or a variable, a control or envelope or something. In Nyquist, the unit generator is called pan. You give it a sound and a position control. The position control is 0 to send the signal entirely to the left, or 1 to go entirely to the right, or any value in between. And again, that can be a control function. It can be an LFO to oscillate the signal left and right, and so on. In Nyquist, panning is simple linear panning. There are other panning rules, you might say, that are designed so that when you pan to the middle, you get equal amounts of power total coming out of the two channels. But we don't do that in Nyquist. It's just a simple linear panning rule.